Here's a double video on Olamax tire changer. Oh, there's a better video. Never mind. Here's how I did it to utilize string, pulling string on all four quarters underneath this Walmart table. I can barely take it. That's a mule tape. Now, you can barely take it. No, you're not, skids. That was tough. You got to utilize the Home Depot tie wraps. Greatly beneficial, keeping the tire up and kind of push on it as you're getting it started. It's started now though. Get it started. Nice. Olamax from Poland. It's pretty well just off the tire now. Man, it was tough. I had to utilize this leverage here on this guy. And then one more thing from Harbor Freight. That mule tape's some powerful pulling wire. Rope. This guy. That little wire welder, whatever you call it, with the helmet to go flash, bam. I could not get that bastard out. Who the hell makes these nylon? In the past I utilized the channel locks, but it was not powerful enough for vice grips. This guy, bam, $200 well spent. Hit the 1/2-inch drive. Beefy. Alright, getting me a new tie. I'll be back. Here's that bucket of string I got from Lock & Supply. Hopefully I'll never run out. I probably won't. Possibly. That's enough for years of actual use for hundreds of fits. Cost like $60, I think. Okay, that took a while to figure out. Leave it where it is. Go under it with that hook nose thing. Bang, it should work. Hit it twice till it hits that blessed mule tape. Also sprinkled water with the water spray. I think I'm gonna need leverage again, cats. Put the body right here with the axis. Generally this goes a lot easier. Just turn out the cable. Okay, but a tip going like this. I got two of them tire irons that go. This doesn't go down. Oh yeah, I got it now. Just held this. Got us where it wouldn't go down again. I think it'll do it out of one-handed now. Yes, sir. One-handed. Olamax, like Oklahoma. I was looking for Oklahoma tire changers. And I got something from Poland. The land of the pole and the land of the free. There's it said. Where are you, Poland? Don't be ashamed. You get it dead. Let's see it. Oh wait, there it is. Here's the little tire bead breaker. Barely did it with the small tire. Alright, done it before with the big tire or two. It's tain't easy. I can't remember the name of this bike I bought 15 years ago. Something with an F. Yamaha. Don't buy these things. I'm telling you, you'll never buy another bike. This thing I had to put fiberglass up underneath it. It's basically super glue with cloth. Just keep putting it in there on the bottom of it. Very tricky. They don't make these anymore. Probably because they break off after a couple of years. Because they weak with the Oklahoma weather. And this guy too says double fiberglass, real easy, but not good to have on your skin. It might give you the common cold. Like all good things, like this single stage brush on full thing. Good day. Oh yeah, the other tire, it looked fine, that Dunlop. I think it was original though, 2012. It's 2025. You can tell, there's, according to the internet, this is the 2012. The first two numbers, what the hell is it? Oh shit! I think it's 2024. Damn it! Didn't look out enough, kids. Might very well be at 2024. But over here it says 12. So nice. Oh well. Back to the tire change. You can push right here with your body on one end. Might have to put some tie wraps in it. It's all about squeezing it where it's in the center of this spot right here. Squeeze it with these beefy tie wraps. I need some giant channel locks too. I have a freight. Good investment. Squeeze it. Pull these down tighter so the inner sides squeeze together in like 3 locations. As you're starting it, you're rotating the body to get in the center of this. That right there is like, I don't know if that's 2012 or not. Don't really. These are alright, these Dunlop Sport Max 300F. I thought they were 2012. Well, according to the internet, they're definitely 24. 46th week of the year, 24th year. This baby's fresh and better. Got the Pirelli Rossio Fallen Angels. There's my tire wraps. I'm fixing to squish this so I can pull that in tighter. Okay, I got them really squished in there. We'll see. Okay, I screwed that up. You don't put them in, you can put one in first, but these other two you gotta get the first lip in first. It goes in real easy. After we get that first rim in, then we'll put the other two back on. I think that was fine. And you need a pair of diagonal pliers. Well, it sure helps there to get in there and cut some. Just gotta mashing it down with the body weight. Push it with the pelvis where that goes in the center. Oh well, I had them on backwards. Good thing I looked. There's a little arrow. This is kind of small. Rotation, it says that we can tell by the tire spokes. Okay, I took all 3 zip tie wrap thingamabobs off. We'll try it again. Okay, just did that. Got some major movement in the back section here. I proceeded to go over the top one at a real obtuse angle, that same spot, and just let basically destroy the tire. Ugh. How about that? Almost got it. At that point, I just pushed it with my left palm, and it. Now for the tie wraps. It's on first. I'm going the proper direction, yes. Having some trouble with my tie wraps going in straight, so I'm gonna put some curves on them. Make sure the little rivets go in their proper location as you start tightening, otherwise it ain't gonna hold. Try a little something like this. Okay, the hook wasn't necessary, it just went from below and you can literally see it and grab it with your fingers. Okay, I gave them the squeeze and pulled. May not be enough, I may need another tie wrap or two, we'll see. This is a hard pick. Guys, I've done a bunch of these. Do what you can with it squished in the hands. Then once you get to here, you'll need the leverage and the whatchamacallit and so forth. And then I'm just pushing it in with my hands where the tie wraps are. Pretty good. That was pretty easy. Just gotta push it with both hands here. Fixing this to see if that tire iron does me good. I'm gonna need to position him something like this. That's what they got on the internet way back. One of these. Actually, I think these are more better. Yeah. Yep, that was more better. I remember just at holding that in position for you, so it doesn't flip over. Actually, it would be good to have them right here too. If I got to, I do. Okay, fixing this. Start pollen cat. Spray it down with that water. I even got some tire lube. That makes a great TV stand at that $600 American made. Just make a video on that. Great $600 TV stand. I welded it. Just smeared it around. Got up in there with my fingers. All over the place. Oh, I'm just using scooter tires. You don't need this. This is what the big machines use. Eric Patrick Butler. Butler is the name. Duckhead. Forgot about this guy. I started to use a tire. Now he is nice. There's a video on this. It's much better than mine. This is for myself, and he doesn't use tie wraps, I don't think, which I had to use. This is for the non-roided up boys and girls with the tie wraps. And these guys, we like it easy, sis. And remember the duck head, which I believe is going this way. Oh, that's funny. You can take it off with that too. I forget, it's the other video. Okay, I'm gonna have to unscrew this, which is it won't go in until I unscrew that, which is lefty tighty, righty loosey for some reason. Okay, got that in position. Those 17-inch rims, it's all calibrated by my hands, my goes. I'll grease that duck head bell up too some here. That stuff ain't actually grease, it's kind of like soap. It isn't near as bad as far as sticking to you. It is good. I think there's better out there, but this is more than sufficient. Alright, it's going good. Just I'm gonna have to retie my stuff. I got it going the other direction here. Made a better camera, but it went in real smooth so far. When it gets hot is when it gets to hiss. That can be tough, cats. And I forgot to put this back up. Something like that. It just keeps it in the groove. See, it's in the center of this rim. Okay, I was whacking this. That's what was going on. Be careful. Okay, let's move my rope on that side. Fix this dirt. Getting it again. Make sure these is kind of in the center and the back here. And I can tell they're not to the back just by feeling it. Need to squish this, tighten this up some more here. Yeah, he's like, it's not cooperating. See, this one is though, which is more tied to it. I'm gonna go ahead and just start spinning this top one. It's in its groove. See, it's better to have both of them in the groove, both top and bottom. But this thing's built like a machine, so we gotta give it a shot. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get that bottom more in the center, work them giant channel locks some more in this tie wrap. Yeah, this is all. The bottom one's still on the outside. He needs to be on the inside. I was actually able to just kind of push it in there with my fingers, although I did use the channel lock. I was thinking, I really didn't need that at that point. I could feel it fixing to pop in here. Took me all the way out damn near, but lucky. Who like a nookie? Make go. That's right. Poland, $300 and $100 shipping. Well spent. There's a British version of this too, almost identical. The tire iron did a number on my rim paint there, but oh well. I should have used this. I forgot this even existed, or even how to use it. There's a video on it that's really good. Olamax tire changes. If you like it, subscribe. Maybe 20 years from now someone will give me money. I don't know how that works. Yep, putting it back together. Took the valve out with this. Got a better one. This one, like, think about cutting the ends off of that. Yeah, I think I will. Here's the last picture of the Olamax. $400 well spent. This was back a few years ago. Or like 6 years ago. They might have gone up in price, I don't know.